Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Education. Today I am going to teach you some sounds of animals name. So please like, share and subscribe my channel children. Alligator, hiss. Anaconda, hiss. Antelope, snort. Bat, screech. Bear, roar. Bee, buzz. Beetle, hum. Tiger, roar. Lion, roar. Jaguar, roar. Leopard, roar. Bison, moo. Buffalo, moo. Bull, moo. Cara cara, scream. Cat, mew. Chameleon, snort. Cheetah, growls. Cobra, hiss. Chicken, cock-a-doodle-doo. Chimpanzee, scream. Cow, moo. Crocodile, hiss. Crow, cow. Deer, bellow. Dog, bark. Dolphin, click. Donkey, bray. Duck, quack. Eagle, screech. Birds, chirps. Elephant, trumpet. Fly, buzz. Frog, quack. Croak. Goat, bleat or baa. Goose, hiss. Grasshopper, chirp. Snake, hiss. Hare, squeak. Horse, neigh. Hyena, laugh. Kangaroo, chortle. Monkey, scream or chatter. Mosquito, buzz. Mouse, squeak. Ox, moo. Owl, hiss or hoot or screech. Parrot, talk or quack. Peacock, scream. Pig, wink. Pigeon, coo. Rabbit, squeak. Rat, squeak. Seal, bark. Salmon, blub. Whale, sing. Yak, moo. Zebra, bark or bray. That's all for today children. Thank you.